So our next group coming up kind of gets at this idea that what gets measured gets done, right? So paper bank statements every month can be kind of helpful, but it's flat, it's kind of dead data, doesn't really show you what's going on. So this next group built a progressive web application to help people out in visualizing their finances.
Awesome. Let's take a look.
Hello, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Ali. I'm here with my friends and teammates Tidiane, Prince. Victor and Ray are not here right now. They're back at college right now, and we're all about the green. And what I mean by that is we made a finance app called FinTrack. FinTrack is an application where a user can see their personal finances in an organized manner, and they can also set a budget, goals, and bills on it. Once you first sign up to our site, you get connected through Plaid. Plaid is our way to securely grab a user's bank information and store it in our backend through Firebase. And once we grab all the information, you get sent to a nice overview page where you see how much money you have overall in your bank account, how many transactions you've done in the last year, and if you scroll down, you see a nice transaction table. You can search up by category like travel, or you can search up by recent purchase like your recent Uber ride. Here's Tidiane to show you more information about our goals.
As Ali mentioned, we have a budget, goal, and bill page that we implemented. And the bill page and the goal page share a similar feature in adding and editing bills and goals. But we also implemented other feature in the bill page, which come as a email notification and also a paid button, which whenever you click on, we automatically add that bill to a paid table just for storage purposes. The budget page itself doesn't just let you set a budget. It also lets you literally compare that budget to previous weekly budget that you had in order to have like a better idea on how you spend your money and how to have an intelligent budget for future purposes. Now, we know our app is a financial app, so we knew there would be like a lot of calculation being done on it. So we added a calculator on it, which literally lets you calculate anything from mortgage payment to car loan with interest rate. And now, Brent's gonna like give you the overview of all the technology we use to make this amazing app.
Thank you. When we were building this app, security was our main focus. We used Firebase. Firebase gave us a set of tools to manage the security of our app. Tools that let us authenticate users, set users' permission, and to check for valid inputs. We use Node.js for our JavaScript runtime, React for our single-page application, Redux to manage our application state, and to make sure our application is running as intended, we use Mocha to check our Node.js programming. For styling, we use Bootstrap. We also made our application a progressive web app where it runs just like a regular application, but users are able to download it on your mobile phone and be able to use it just like a regular app offline. Thank you, and please feel free to check out our FinTrack app at the following link. Thank you.
Yeah, wow. All right, to vote for FinTrack, please like the post, like their pinned comment on Facebook. That was awesome. Definitely, we see sometimes these mint clones, and I think that the adaptive design that they took on to, in such a short period of time looked really, really, really nice. So I'm definitely impressed by that. Definitely a cool app. Definitely, when you're handling bank information, don't do it yourself using Plaid. That was a very, very, very smart thought on their part. These students know what they're doing, They know what they're doing,
Yes,
Jeff.
they do. Somehow they figured it out.
They figured it out.
Yeah, and actually, it is kind of complicated using Plaid, and it's like it seems like an easy plug and play, but handling financial data it's messy, right? Like merchants all submit it in very different ways. I also think this app. I always like apps that kind of solve the problems that students are having themselves. So for example, we see a lot of apps that solve the problems that they're having in this course, such as problems with Reacto or learning code. And I think this one kind of solves the problem that they're going to have once they get that great high-paying job, which is how to manage their money. So bada bing.
And progressive web app, too, I think is always a great choice these days. Really glad to see they went in that direction.
Yeah.